Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Supermicro stumble, Nvidia's Wall Street win, and market bubble comparisons, a financial roller coaster. Paramount and Comcast dive streaming collaboration while Iovance races ahead with FDA approval for melanoma therapy. NextEra Energy powers up dividend by 10%, Biden backs tougher ethanol climate model, SoftBank founder bets big on AI chips to rival Nvidia, and Apple's WWDC poised as major AI catalyst. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Shares of Supermicro Computer experienced their steepest decline since August of the previous year, plummeting by 20.1% on Friday. Regardless of this downturn, the firm has seen a substantial surge following its initial FQ2 2024 results released in January. This growth is largely attributed to robust demand for its artificial intelligence servers, which are contributing significantly to revenue potential. Nevertheless, there are ongoing worries about heightened competition and concentration risk associated with AI shipments.
Nvidia's stock is currently under scrutiny following commendations from Wall Street firms, Loop Capital included, who have established a fresh peak price target of $1,200. This implies a surge of 60% from the present rates. Experts forecast substantial expansion for Nvidia in the forthcoming years owing to its dominant position in GPU computing and generative AI. In addition to this, Oppenheimer has elevated its price target from $650 to $850.
The Flow Show report from BofA Securities draws a comparison between today's Magnificent Seven stocks, namely Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta Platforms, Tesla, and Alphabet, and previous market bubbles. The report underscores the similarities in terms of catalysts, price, and valuation. It puts forth the idea that despite these stocks experiencing substantial gains and high valuations akin to past bubbles, an increase in bond yields could potentially act as a trigger for a possible burst.
Reports suggest that Paramount Global and Comcast are in talks about a possible streaming collaboration, as per the Wall Street Journal. This strategic alliance might merge Paramount Plus with Comcast's Peacock, leading to considerable cost reductions and combining two large programming libraries. Even though both services have seen growth, they still trail behind industry frontrunners such as YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and Disney+. Iovance
Biotherapeutics has received accelerated approval from the FDA for its T-cell immunotherapy, named Amtagvi, which is used for the treatment of advanced melanoma. This therapy, which is individualized and administered only once, is the first of its kind to be approved for solid tumor cancer. Despite a boxed warning about potential severe side effects, Iovance continues to conduct additional trials and increase production capacity at their facility located in Philadelphia. Prior to this announcement, the company's shares experienced a 7% drop.
NextEra Energy has declared a rise of 10.2% in its quarterly dividend, making it $0.515 per share. This will be payable on the 15th of March. In addition, the company's board has given the green light to a policy that is anticipated to increase dividends by approximately 10% each year until at least 2026. This is based on an estimated $2.60 per share in the year 2024.
The administration under Biden is set to modify its scientific modeling for ethanol, suggesting it's not as efficient in curbing greenhouse emissions as once believed. This potential change might affect the eligibility of ethanol producers for new tax credits from the U.S. government for sustainable aviation fuel, unless they collaborate with sustainable corn farmers. The objective of this action is to consider the environmental harm caused by transforming land into farms and to encourage farming methods that are beneficial to the climate.
Masayoshi Son, the CEO of SoftBank, is currently on the hunt for investors to back a $100 billion project. This venture, which goes by the code name Izanaji, aims to boost the worldwide supply of processors that are focused on artificial intelligence. The ultimate goal is to challenge and potentially disrupt Nvidia's stronghold in this sector. SoftBank has plans to contribute $30 billion towards this project, with external partners providing the remaining funds. This initiative comes at a time when Nvidia holds a commanding lead in the AI accelerators market with an impressive 92% share. The Izanagi project could serve as an excellent complement to ARM Holdings, a British chip design unit that is majority-owned by SoftBank.
Apple is preparing to reveal a generative artificial intelligence tool for iOS developers. This could potentially position it as a formidable rival against technology powerhouses such as Microsoft and Google. The firm has amplified its concentration and investment in AI, with intentions to incorporate AI functionalities into macOS, Apple Music, and its Spotlight search feature. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep innovating, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.